Hello, my name is Pablo, Director of Artistry for Illamasqua. I'm going to show you how to create a winged eyeliner. Sketch the liner shape with a brown or grey eyeshadow for fair skin or black for deeper skin tones. This will act as a template. Always start with the eye you find more challenging to do. If you're right-handed, start with your left eye. This makes it a lot easier to balance your easier eye, helping to achieve symmetry. If it isn't perfect, eyeshadow is far easier to correct than eyeliner. Apply on the top lash line using the angle brush, extending it and creating a shape of wing you want to achieve. Using the side of the eyeliner brush, start applying the gel eyeliner on top of your eyeshadow template, covering it completely. Going from thick to thin along the lash line, extending it as far as you like. To make the wing crisp and graphic, use a cotton bud to sweep up from under the wing to sharpen the point. With the same eyeshadow and the smudge brush, create a shadow under the bottom lashes, making it more intense in the outer corner. Curl eyelashes for extra lift. Apply mascara on bottom and top lashes. Do a second coat of mascara on the top lashes to make them look thicker to lift the eye. Follow these simple steps and remember, the more you practice, the easier it will get.